CM Najib Razak says 1MDB is now debt-free after settling some 2.83 billion ringgit in borrowings over the past 2 years. These debts were with 4 parties: Marsden Investments, Affin Bank, Exim Bank and the government. Najib explains that 1MDB had raised nearly 11 billion in cash in 2015 and 2016 from the sale of assets of Edra Global Energy, a portion of a stake in Bandar Malaysia and a plot of land in TRX. In line with its rationalisation plan, the beleaguered state fund also trimmed its employees from 35 in 2015 to 17 last December. It did not acquire any new assets during the period. Penang-based Eastern and Oriental will be KWAP's first property partner. The retirement fund has emerged as a strategic investor to help kickstart E&O's second massive land reclamation project, which is Phase 2A of the Seri Tanjung Pinang or STP development. KWAP will take up 20% of the land for 766 million ringgit. E&O says the proceeds will be used for land redemption, reclamation works and infra works. KWAP will also be taking up 4.26% stake or 66.1 million restricted issue stock in E&O. The issue price will be between 1 ringgit 84 cent and 1 ringgit 94 cent per share. The property player says the land disposal is to unlock the value of its investment in the land, while the proposed restricted issue is the most appropriate avenue of fundraising. STP is a seafront development situated along Penang's northeast coast between Georgetown and the beaches of Batu Ferringhi. Berjaya Corp posted a 44.7% increase in earnings for its third quarter. Net profit rose to 22.9 million ringgit from 15.8 million a year earlier. Pre-tax, however, wasn't looking as good thanks to lower contribution from its gaming operations. According to Berjaya, its gaming business, which is operated by Sports Toto Malaysia, saw an additional GST adjustment of 15.6 million ringgit. This is due to different interpretation on the value of gaming supply. Also a drag, losses from its Kenny Rogers Roasters operations in Malaysia as a result of weak consumer sentiment. Revenue was up marginally at 2.2 billion ringgit, lifted by its property investment and development business and consumer product marketing and services segments. Berjaya did not announce any dividend for the quarter. Going forward, the group is bracing for a very challenging operating environment given the current economic conditions and global financial outlook. Pavilion REIT sees a flattish rental reversion rate in 2017 for its flagship Pavilion Mall in KL. This is due to ongoing tenancy renewals in the mall that commenced in the third quarter of 2016. Pavilion REIT Management Chief Philip Ho says the majority of these tenants are back of house, smaller lots like push carts and storerooms. About 21 to 23% of tenants are still due for rental revision in the exercise, which is expected to be completed during the second quarter of 2017. Last year, the mall's rental revision rate stood at 60%, while rental growth was between 6 and 7%. CIMB Group says it has zero tolerance for staff who breach the law and that it would take action against employees' misconduct. The financial services provider says it is committed to upholding the law in all its business processes at all times, and that its staff are continuously reminded on the importance of complying with the law in their respective markets. CIMB's statement comes after the SC charged 3 individuals for alleged insider trading offences involving Pacific Mast shares in 2007. The trio, Lim Boon Cheng and ex-CIMB investment bankers Yu Lai Ping and Lim Boon Hua, had claimed trial at the KL Sessions Court. CIMB pledged its full cooperation with regulators.